Hello everyone, this is Ozzy teacher. Welcome back to our English grammar series. In the previous lesson, we talked about adjectives, adjective order, comparatives, and the difference between at and ing adjectives. Today, we are learning something very important for natural English. Adjective with prepositions. In English, some adjectives are almost always followed by specific preposition. For example, good at, interested in, afraid of. This combination are very common in daily English. So today we will learn how to use them correctly. Let's begin. First, let's understand the structure. Sometimes an adjective is followed by a preposition. So the structure looks like this. Adjective plus preposition. For example, she's good at math. Good at. I'm interested in music. Interested in. They are afraid of spider. Afraid of. This combination are fixed in English. That means we cannot just change the preposition randomly. You must learn them as a pair. Let's start with one of the most common ones, good at. We use good at when we talk about skills or abilities. For example, she's good at math. I'm good at basketball. They are good at solving problems. Notice that we are talking about something a person does well. So remember, if someone has a skill, we say they are good at it. Another way common expression is interested in. We use interested in when we talk about something that attracts our attention or curiosity. For example, I'm interested in history. Interested in. She's interested in art. They are interested in learning English. Remember something important. We do not say interested on. The correct preposition is in. So the correct forms is always interested in. Now let's look at another useful one. Afraid of. We use afraid of when we talk about fear. For example, she's afraid of spiders. Many people are afraid of ghosts. Some children are afraid of the dark. Again, the preposition is very important. We say afraid of, not afraid from, and not afraid about. Just remember the pair, afraid of. Another useful expression is proud of. We use this when we feel happy about the achievement. For example, I'm proud of my students. She is proud of her work. They are proud of their team. So, when you want to express pride, remember the combination proud of. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try to choose the correct preposition. Great, good job. Remember, learning this combination takes practice, but the more examples you see, the more natural they become. Let's review today's lesson. Some adjectives are followed by specific preposition. For example, good at, interested in, afraid of, proud of. This combination are very common in everyday English, so try to remember them as pair. In the next lesson, we will talk about another important topic, the difference between adjectives and adverbs. For example, he is quick runner. He runs quickly. If this lesson helped you, write the sentence using adjective plus preposition in the comments. This is Ozzy teacher. See you in the next lesson.